Hey guys, welcome back to the e-commerce bartender, and today we're going to be going over our product timeline. In the previous video, we went over how to set up our exact and auto campaigns, which you could find linked below in the description. But today we're going to move on to this. This is a very powerful tool that's going to help you analyze all the data you pull and kind of correlate it with the changes that you've made during your product's lifetime. Let's go ahead and dive into my sheet real quick. So as you can see, I have what should you write down. Things that you should write down are when you change prices, when you change the main photo, bullet points, or title, when you change the advertising budgets and or campaigns, bids as well, of course, and if you run like a coupon deal or if you add on a micro-influencer to promote your product, and also if you hit a key number of reviews like 5, 10, 20, 50, 100 reviews, you can see how all these changes and milestones affect your conversion rate when you pull the data and look at it. So this is a very powerful tool that's not taught enough in my eyes, but it's easy and it's free to do. So let's go ahead and go over to my example document where I made up my own little timeline for our magnetic balls and our magnetic cubes. So as you can see, the first thing for January 1st, 2021, start the price at $12.99. You can also see on the first set of bullet points and also the first set of pictures. As you can see, I have them labeled right here because when I save them to my desktop or laptop or whatever I'm using, I have the pictures labeled so I don't get confused with my second set of pictures if I decide to implement those and split test them. The next thing up on our timeline is starting our auto campaign and starting our exact campaigns. As you can see, I got the campaigns labeled and I also have the budgets next to them, which is really important, as you're going to see, because coming up here on the 6th of January, I added $15 to the exact campaign to make it $45. The reason why I did this is because the campaign was running out of money throughout the middle of the day and we had to add some more budget on there to make sure we're getting full range of data through the whole day. All right, next up we have on the 19th is that we received our 5th review finally. So this is when we might see our product start converting a little bit better because it's got its first couple reviews. Going to the next date, we're going to change our price to our second price interval, which is $17.99, and we're going to start pulling our PP reports and start to optimize our campaigns and bids. As you can see in the time difference, I waited about 3 weeks before I pulled the reports just so I had enough data to make moves for all my campaigns and all the keywords that I have. As you can see for the auto reports, I actually added 3 negative keywords because they weren't performing as well, and hopefully that's going to help my auto campaign. On the exact campaign, I actually paused one of the keywords because it wasn't performing as well. And these are changes you guys are going to be making the whole time through the lifetime of your product, so it's really important to have these timelines. It's a free tool that is very powerful, guys. All right, I know today was a quick video and that's going to sum it up, but just to let you know, tomorrow will be the final day of my Amazon FBA free YouTube course for 2021. The final video is going to be Helium 10's follow-up emails. I'm going to show you guys how to do that tomorrow, and then after that I'm going to be done with the course, but I'll continue to add on videos for you guys like how to optimize your campaigns and stuff like that and some other things. You guys have a great day and take care.